Hey, what is up internet? So if you're looking for a true wireless earphones at about rupees 3000, you must have come across either the OnePlus Buds Z or the Realme Buds Air 2. ये दोनों ही true wireless earphones काफ़ी ज़्यादा similar है and I understand अगर आप इन दोनों के बीच में confused हो, but which one should you go for? Team Yellow or Team Red? एक मिनट. Let's find out. Now मैं ये पूरा वीडियो डिफरेंट सब कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड करूंगा लाइक बैटरी लाइफ और डिजाइन. तो अगर आपको एक पर्टिकुलर सब कैटेगरी के बारे में जानना है, आप नीचे दिए गए टाइम स्टैम्प्स को यूज कर सकते हो. एंड स्टार्टिंग विद द डिजाइन, बोथ द OnePlus Buds Z and the Realme Buds Air 2 comes with that Apple AirPod like design. They both also come with silicone ear tips now, thankfully, which is a big upgrade over their siblings, and they also are slightly angled for that better fit. The OnePlus Buds Z in particular only comes in white और grey, although जो grey है वो भी white की तरह दिखता है, but still जो इसका डिजाइन है वो काफी सिंपल और लो की लगा मुझे, which is what I like. And also जो इसका ऊपर वाला पार्ट है वो थोड़ा सा बाहर निकला हुआ है for that fit, और जो इसका बैक साइड है वो पूरा फ्लैट है, which is where you use the touch controls. The Realme Buds Air 2 on the other hand come with a two-tone finish. तो जो इसकी stem है that comes with a glossy finish, और जो इसका actually में earbuds का shell है that comes with a matte finish. And unlike the OnePlus Buds Z, Realme Buds Air 2 also comes in black color, which is what I have here. But overall, if I have to choose between the two, I would still go with the OnePlus Buds Z solely because I like that simple design, and also the fact that it has the flat back really makes it much easier to use the touch controls. So next up is build quality, and honestly both of them feels really nice in the hands, and also while you're wearing them आपको कभी भी ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि ये सिर्फ 3000 रुपए के ही आते हैं. And I have dropped them accidentally just like this, but they have been working just fine even after that. And I won't be able to comment on the durability as of now because मेरे को सिर्फ 7 या 10 दिन ही हुए हैं इनको यूज करते हुए. But still, so far so good. So in that case, I'll give it to both of them. So it's a tie. Next up, let's talk about comfort. And although this is something that depends a lot on your ear shape or ear size, I think both the Realme Buds Air 2 and OnePlus Buds Z are extremely comfortable, guys. They are extremely light on your ear, so you won't feel any ear fatigue or something like that. They also have some sort of water resistance, so you can use them for your working out needs. But there is something I noticed with the Realme Buds Air 2 specifically. So जो इनके ear tips हैं वो ज़्यादा लंबे नहीं हैं, and that's the reason I didn't get the most snug fit when I first tried this on, but I slowly got used to it by just pushing them further down my ear canal. Maybe that didn't sound that good. And for that reason, I would give this one to the OnePlus Buds Z solely because doesn't matter what ear shape or size you have, they would still be very comfortable for you. Now, what I will not give to the OnePlus Buds Z is the battery life. Now, on paper, OnePlus claims that you can get about 4 hours from the buds and 20 hours in total, while Realme Buds Air 2 can give you 5 hours with ANC off and 4 hours with ANC off, and you can get about 25 hours of total battery life on the Realme Buds Air 2. Now, both the earphones come with fast charging capabilities, and I think OnePlus does have a slight advantage over that, but I would still give this to the Realme Buds Air 2 solely because you can get some extra juice. Okay, मैं नहीं मारूंगा इतने गंदे जोक. Extra juice from this charging case. And talking about charging case, this is where things start to get a little different between these two. Now the OnePlus Buds Z come with a pill-shaped charging case, while the Realme Buds Air 2 comes with a pebble-shaped charging case. Now both of them also come with a USB Type-C charging port and a dedicated pairing button, but I think this comes down to a personal preference. Now personally, I can't get over the fact that I can fit the OnePlus Buds Z's case in my useless pocket of my jeans, and the fact that my Realme Buds Air case attracts a lot more fingerprints than I would have liked. I will have to give this one to the OnePlus Buds Z, even though the Realme Buds Air 2's charging case has more battery in it. Next up, let's talk about connectivity. And the Realme Buds Air 2 has a slight advantage here because it comes with Bluetooth 5.2 as compared to Bluetooth 5.0 on the OnePlus Buds Z. But I don't think it will make a big difference, and a lot of you might not even care. But a lot of you might care about one thing, which is latency. And both the OnePlus Buds Z and the Realme Buds Air 2 are actually very good when it comes to overall latency for gaming. But the Realme Buds Air 2 does come with a dedicated game mode which can bring down the latency to as low as 88 milliseconds. And for that reason, I think I'll have to give this one to the Realme Buds Air 2. But that said, both of them are superb when it comes to connectivity. You will not face any issues while pairing them even to your phone or laptop or even iOS devices. So they are very close, guys. But one area where they are not close is the media controls. And this is where Realme Buds Air 2 absolutely thrashes the OnePlus Buds Z. Solely because on the OnePlus Buds Z, आपको सिर्फ एक double tap touch control देखने को मिलता है, and the fact that you can't even customize it on non-OnePlus devices if you don't have the Hey Melody app makes things even more worse. Realme Buds Air 2 में आपको double tap, triple tap or tap and hold on either of the earbuds देखने को मिलता है, so it's a big deal. And also the fact that you can customize these touch controls from the Realme Link app. Along with that, you get a ton of other features. Realme Buds Air 2 just wins this for me, guys. Okay, so it's getting super close with 4-4 on the points table, but we have reached the most crucial part of the video, which is the sound. Let's talk about the sound. Now, the OnePlus Buds Z and the Realme Buds Air 2 again have a very similar sound signature. It's bass heavy, it's warm, and the lows are definitely overpowering the highs and mids, especially at high volumes. But I felt that the overall sound output on the OnePlus Buds Z is slightly more rich, especially the bass, and I also like the way the OnePlus Buds Z deals with highs and mids. Now, both of them have a slightly muffled mids, but OnePlus Buds Z has slightly less muffled mids when compared to the Realme Buds Air 2. I also like the soundstage on the OnePlus Buds Z more, and I felt that the overall sound output coming from the OnePlus Buds Z felt more fuller than the Realme Buds Air 2. But again, guys, the difference is very small, and you would be amazed by the sound output of both of these, and the fact that they come at rupees 3000 is really amazing. But still, if I have to choose solely on the basis of sound, I will pick the OnePlus Buds Z. But wait, the Realme Buds Air 2 comes with active noise cancellation, and that's a huge deal at this price point, because if you travel a lot, although not right now, but if you generally like to cut down from the world and cut down the ambient noise, the active noise cancellation plays a huge role. Now, of course, it's not as good as Apple AirPods, come on guys, but the fact that you still get an active noise cancellation that works good at a price point of rupees 3000, whoa, I think that has shifted the balance towards the Realme Buds Air 2, and I'm giving the sound with active noise cancellation to the Realme Buds Air 2. And talking about noise cancellation, both OnePlus and Realme claims that they can cut down ambient noise when you're taking calls through these earphones. This is how the microphone sounds like from the Realme Buds Air 2, and I think it's a little inconsistent, especially when it comes to highlighting my voice over the background noise. So I have my air conditioner on right now, and also I feel that it makes your voice a little more robotic. The OnePlus Buds Z, on the other hand, does a much better job at maintaining the microphone quality throughout the call. But still, you be the judge and let me know in the comment section below which microphone would you prefer, the OnePlus Buds Z or the Realme Buds Air 2. So with that, we come to the final section of the video, and guess what? We have tied up between the OnePlus Buds Z and the Realme Buds Air 2, and of course I did it on purpose ताकि आप video end तक देख सको. But hear me out. The OnePlus Buds Z are the better sounding earphones of the two, but it lacks well implemented touch controls, and also it has a slightly inferior battery life. The Realme Buds Air 2, on the other hand, sounds decent. It's not the best, but it's still decent. It has well implemented touch controls, it has slightly better battery life, and on top of that, it comes with active noise cancellation, which I think is a big deal at rupees 3000 rupees. So if sound is all you care and you don't care about touch controls a lot, the OnePlus Buds Z is a better buy. But I feel the Realme Buds Air 2 is a more complete product when it comes to true wireless earphones. So yes guys, this was it for this comparison between the Realme Buds Air 2 and the OnePlus Buds Z. Let me know अगर आपको ये video helpful लगी, and share it with your friends who are also confused between these two. And I also have individual reviews of both of these products, so I'll leave the link somewhere here in the cards, or also I'll leave the link in the description box below. So yes, before you leave this video, make sure you subscribe to TQNet and especially hit that bell icon so that when I upload such videos in future, you are probably the first one to watch it. And you can also slide into my DMs through Twitter and Instagram. The links would be here as well. So till then, keep asking, and I will see you in the next one.